ingredients.
We have 3 pounds chicken. Cut the chicken to your liking. So our ingredients is ketchup. You can use either banana ketchup or the regular tomato ketchup. Or you can mix it together like half and half. We have soy sauce, lemon juice. In the US, I use lemon juice because I don't have calamansi. And that is brown sugar. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce, and then chicken bouillon powder or chicken bouillon cubes. We also need 1/4 cup of Sprite. We have here is onions and garlic. We need ground black peppers and salt.
Mix all the ingredients.
Add the soy sauce in the bowl. Add the ketchup. Add the lemon juice. Add the brown sugar. Add the Sprite. Add the chicken bouillon powder. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add the onions. Add the garlic.
Mix it.
We're gonna add ground black peppers. And add just a pinch of salt.
Mix it. Add the chicken to the barbecue sauce. Mix it. Marinate in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. Tips: soak bamboo skewers in the water for 2 hours or overnight to avoid burning or splitting before using. Flip it in the other end. Thread the meat onto the skewers. You can use your grill outside or the oven to grill.
So for barbecuing, I use my oven because it's so hot outside. So I just use a baking sheet pan, then a wire rack. So I spray it with oil. And then you spray this chicken also with oil.
Baked chicken for 350 degrees Fahrenheit 10 minutes each side in the middle of the rack. Baste the meat with remaining marinade sauce while barbecuing. 10 minutes each side. Total of 20 minutes.
So we'll get a sauce for basting.
Baste the chicken while cooking. Note: make sure you allow the basting sauce to cook. Remember, this is leftover barbecue sauce. After 10 minutes, flip it over to the other side. Baste the meat. Cook this side for 10 minutes.
Okay guys, so after 20 minutes,
set the oven to broil set to 550. This gives the same quick sear as a grill to your chicken.
broil.
And place the grill in higher
We
rack.
transfer the chicken into the top.
Broil 5 to 6 minutes each side. Total of 10 to 12 minutes.
Transfer the rack in the top. We put the chicken back at the very top for broiling. So it's done guys, we gonna take it out. So what I have here for sausawan is the sili, onions, then I have a garlic. What I'm gonna do with the garlic is I have to crush it with a garlic crusher. And then I'm gonna put a vinegar. Soy sauce. So I will add some sliced tomatoes to my sausawan. Okay guys, let's eat. Isilin natin yung sili. Okay guys, let's eat. Mga unta guys. Oh my god, yummy. Oh, yum, yum. Yummy guys. Sarap. O guys, mahinaot ko nga niangay mo sa akong recipe today. So, magkita-kits tayo sa sunod o balik-balik guys. Bye!